Hello friends and welcome. So in this video we'll learn some basic level of BODMAS questions. As you can see, BODMAS rule says B means bracket, O means order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So each question carries 1 mark and we can solve these any type of questions by BODMAS rule. Now look and question number 1, 2 plus 3 minus 9 divided by 3. First, there is no bracket and order. First solve this. 3 divided by 9, that is 3. 2 plus 3 minus 3. Now you can solve addition first. 2 plus 3, 5 minus 3, that is 2. So 2 will be the correct answer. Second question says in simplification addition comes after. Addition you can see comes after multiplication. So you can write here multiplication. Now, third question says 1 upon 4 multiply 20 minus 4. So, now this is multiplication. You can write 20 upon 1. You can easily solve 4 and then 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So, 1 will be the correct answer. Now, the fourth question says 2.3 minus 2 decimal 8 plus 0 decimal 5. Now, you can solve from left to right also. If you want to add first, so make sure 2.8 digit is a negative. So 2.8 and then 0.5. First you can subtract minus plus minus. So 8 minus 5 is 3 and then 2. 2.3 and 2.3 minus 2.3 will become 0 will be the correct answer. Now the next question says 1 upon 2 multiply by 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3. So you can cut the values. First multiplication will solve. 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3. It will also become 0 will be the correct answer. So I hope you have cleared this. Now the conclusion is. So friends, conclusion of this video. You have solved so many questions here. And this is the BODMAS in maths and we have learned how to solve any expressions correctly by using the BODMAS rule. Even using this method you can simplify even long and nested brackets also. Any problem step by step without getting confused by using these operations. So I hope you have cleared now. In the next video we will learn some other intermediate level. Bye bye.